Hi, Danny.
Okay. I think it's Mila's turn. Mila's turn. Here we go. Mom, go eat your food. They're gonna be fighting. Mila, you're gonna have to wait until I'm done with eating you.
Hi, Danny.
Okay. I think it's Mila's turn. Mila's turn. Here we go. We're walking.
Meg, let me see.
Okay, put your feet up.
There it is.
I think we're gonna walk here.
Choกันý rồi hi. Walking cần kal.chu nhỉ hi. So lại sao nè pui nè Awwi cài về thung à. Awwi hi pui mà em à. Yeah.
Let's cross the street. We're going to the library. Carol Creek.
It's good. We're gonna take a little break. Yeah. Let's, because we're here. We're in the middle. Okay. New thing I'm doing.
You tired?
Yeah, but also like. I hate you this
You want me to hold your purse bit there? Here, put it in here. Oh. Danny.
Okay, Jane.
You're gonna pull them?
Let's see if I can.
Okay.
Jane, you gotta get your feet on. Hold
Feet
Mila.
on.
Hold Mila, okay? Here, Mila. Have Danny's feet.
I don't want to.
Okay, Danny, you gotta cross your legs then, honey, like this. Cross your feet. Alright. And you hold on to Mila. Hold on to her. Come on. Let's see if this works. Okay, the thing is, I have to make sure you guys are going the right direction.
Left, right.
They keep on, the problem is they keep on veering to the right. Good job. Okay, let's go. Go, just go. Go run to Daddy.
No.
You want to go?
Faster!
Jane, hold on to Mila.
Này rất là cái này mấy anh boy em mấy.
Go down! Little hungry tiny
All right, let's go.
Faster!
Mila. Jane, you gotta hold on to Mila. We're getting to some big crack here, bud.
Big crack.
Here we go. Danny, you have to hold on to Mila.
A little faster!
Going as fast as I can.
Gotta hold on tight.
Go fast. Fast. Go even fast. Go.
Naman bang tieme mo? Katulad. Oh, there's gonna be a big bump.
There's a bump coming up, guys. Hold on.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Whoa, whoa.
You shouldn't have put your feet down, honey.
Yeah.
Hold on to Mila. Hold on to Mila.
That's killed me.
It scared you? Yeah, me too. Let's get over that. Hold on to Mila. Hold on to Mila. Katie, hold on to Mila. There you go.
Mila, don't put your foot down. Gotta put it on the skateboard the whole time, okay, baby?
No, you're fine, Mila. Put your feet down.
Oh, bumpy. Meg, you should take pictures.